In the next episode, Layla will enter the Kaya house not as an obedient daughter but as someone secretly collecting proof against her own family. She will pretend that her relationship with Aras was only a temporary act and tell Sibnam that she is ready to stay away from him. Sibnam will believe she has really now and allow Layla back into the family decision. This will give Layla access to the office where Hakan keep all legal files. Her plan will be simple: find the document that connected the closure of the orphanage with the family effort to control Aras. However, she will discover something fat, more serious inside a file marked with a different company name. She will find payment made for years to a doctor who worked at the hospital after the incident that killed Aras' parents. One payment will carry Tioman birth date, but the name written beside it will be Demi. Layla will photograph the page before she can leave. Hakan will enter the office. He will know immediately that she has seen the truth. Instead of treating her, Hakan will admit that he has spent years obeying decisions he now regrets. He will say that Tioman was brought into the family to protect him from a great danger, but the protection slowly become imprisonment. Layla will demand to know whether Sibnam arranged everything. Hakan will refuse to answer, warning that the closet lie belonged to someone who still controlled the family from the shadow. Meanwhile, outside the Orhan, Aras will struggle to keep the children calm as officials remove furniture from the building. His anger will rise, then he will choose not to fight. He will organize the children into a peaceful line and make each of them carry one object that represent their memories. This quiet scene will touch even the police officer and turn public opinion strongly in his favor. Teoma will arrive intending to mock him, but seeing the children leave with nowhere to go with awoken a hidden memory of being taken from a hospital by a stranger. He will become dizzy and collapse. Aras will be the first person to help him, even though Teoman attacked him before at the hospital. Layla will bring the photograph document to Aras. She will tell him that the proof point toward Teoman, but Aras will refuse. That the proof point toward Teoman, but Aras will refuse to celebrate because he understand what the truth could be to him. The final twist will come when the door connected to the payment call Hakan and says someone has stolen the original file.